Shenzhen Tampon Print Machine Limited is an integrated enterprise of industry and trade with independent office in Shenzhen City and the factory located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. As a printing company with more than 5 years' experiences, we have become a world supplier of high-quality pad printing machine, screen printing machine, and hot stamping machine, and the peripheral equipment like exposure unit, UV dryer, and dryer oven. All we would giving high-quality machines and good service to our customers, and the worldwide tampon machine supply is our abiding and main goal. For many years' continuous efforts, we made a gratifying achievements on researching and development and expanding number of new projects in the printing machine market. At the same time, as our company continuously expanding in the international market, our teams also attaches great importance to protecting the interests of domestic and foreign customers and to providing professional and technical training for customers with high-quality service. As a professional industry and trade company, we have more competitive prices and more professional production lines and processes. We can also teach hands-on so that customers can be more quickly familiar with the operation of the machine. Service first is our aim, so we hope that while bringing you high-quality machines, we can also bring you comfortable service. Our purpose, quality first, customer highest, services are first rate.